Hi YouTube, in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Pathinglek dash cam. I needed something small with little distraction as I had another dash cam which was also a review mirror, but usually to see at night can be quite some work. This dash cam came at a great price, just $20 on Amazon, and assuming that you don't need any high-end advanced features, this little camera should definitely do the trick. As per features written on the box, we have 2 to 4 inch large LCD screen, 140 degrees to 170 degree wide angle lens. Night vision is another thing. It's full HD. What else do we have here? Just general information. LCD screen size, maximum video resolution is 1920 by 1080 and full HD. Video format is AVI. Maximum resolution pictures is a 12M. Photo format is JPG. It can support between 8 gigs to 32 gigs SD card. It has infrared night vision function, and microphone or speaker is internal, and well, the power interface is a 5V DC, and battery, it's got a built-in battery. So that's the general information about this dash cam. Without further ado, we're gonna open the box and check it out.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
So what do we have? We have the dash cam itself. You can see it's very small. I was quite amazed at how small this was. This is just a 2-inch screen. We've got a car charger. You have to keep this connected to the dash cam all the time because this comes with a 250 mAh capacity. That's not much. That's just to maintain and save settings. So you always have to keep this plugged on to your car. You can also use this, with a USB cable connected directly. We have the suction cup. And finally, we have the user manual. It's just in English. Talking about the setup, it's quite easy. First thing is this suction cup. You've got this, and you've got the slot right here. You just slip this in and just slide it over. And you've got the first part. So this goes on your windshield. This facing you and this facing out. You can either adjust it whichever way you want and move it whichever way you also want. Here you have this to either unlock it or lock the cup to the right or to the left. And talking about the characteristics of the camera, right here we've got the lens. Here on the left hand side we've got the AV port, we've got the SD card slot right here, and then we have the mic right here also. As per the SD card, this doesn't come with an SD card. You can either use a 16 gigs, 32 gigs or 64 gigs SD card. It's recommended to use a 32 gigs mini SD card if you're using a class 10, or you use it, make sure there's nothing on the card, and after inserting it in the dash cam, you also have to format it. That's recommended. Here on the other side we've got the USB slot, and right here below we've got, and that's basically everything on the external characteristics of this item. So let's plug it in and see. So here we go. That's it. As soon as it detected the SD card, it starts recording. So let's stop that for a second and see what we got. So these are the buttons. One, we've got the on off button. We've got the stop or Wi-Fi button. These are the left or right button. If you want to remove audio, you can just press the right button. That will either activate or remove audio. You can connect this directly to your cell phone. If you want the Wi-Fi, all you need to do is activate it right here. So this is the on off screen or stop screen, and here this M that you're looking at is the mode on the top right. You can see this icon. So this is the video icon. I can change it to the camera icon. You can take pictures with this, and then you can press it one more time, and then you can have access to the videos or pictures that you'd already taken. Here, this button is the menu button. Depending on where you are, for example, you can change mode to camera settings, and then you come back here to menu settings, and then you can change information about your camera. Let's start with formatting the SD card. So with this one, you come here, menu settings, and then you can either delete or protect. In my case, I want to format, so I press this one more time. It takes me to these options. With the left and right buttons, you can choose, you can select one, park, dark mode, date and time, and you just press OK. Okay, park mode, you can either leave it in high, medium, or low. I'm gonna leave it in off. Then let's choose another one. Let's go to auto power off. The dash cam can turn on and off when you start or shut down the car engine. You don't need to turn on manually every time, so you just have to set it to maybe 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes off. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in off. So go back. Screensaver, the same thing with screensaver. You might probably need this to guarantee safe driving, so you don't get affected by the light reflected on the screen. To turn this back on, you just have to press any key and set the time automatically to 1, 3, or 5 minutes. The beeping sound, you can either leave it on or just turn it off, depends on each person. Language, you can change language. Frequency, with the Wi-Fi SSID, the name. Okay, this is it. This is how it's going to be displayed. And then the next one is the Wi-Fi password. You can give it a password. Format, all data will be deleted. Default settings and the version. So that's the first part. Let's change mode and configure and set up the video. Go here. That's the first. If you press it one more time, it will change to general settings. So let's go back to video. Resolution, you can change your resolution here. Maybe if you'd like, you can leave it in 1080 full HD, or you can just leave it in 1080p or 720p. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it the way it was. Loop recording, you can loop record either for every 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute. The video shuts off and continues recording, but like after every 5 minutes or after every 3 minutes. I'm leaving it here in 5 minutes. Exposure, you can also change the exposure. Motion detection, either turn it on or off. I think I'm gonna leave it on. Record audio, I'm gonna leave it on. Sorry about that. I'm gonna leave it on. Date stamp, I'm gonna leave it on also. And the G sensor. The G sensor has this function that it will automatically lock video following an impact. Now, the downside with this is that you get your files easily locked, which will fill up the card real fast. So what's advisable is that you turn off the dash cam sensitivity, or at least you just adjust to low. So I'm gonna leave it here in low. You got WDR. And that's basically everything about the video settings. So let's go to the camera settings. So resolution of the camera, you have maximum 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels, 5 megapixels. Sequence quality, you can also change the quality of the pictures, either fine pictures, normal, or economy. I'm gonna leave it there fine. I think that's the maximum. The sharpness, you can modify that. White balance, ISO, exposure, anti-shaking, that should be on, so that's on. And date stamp, that's it. All other things is the general settings, which if you press the menu one more time, you get to the general settings. One more thing I'd like to mention is the Wi-Fi setting. The first thing that you're gonna do, or you have to do, is on your cell phone, go to Play Store and download Go Plus Cam. That's Go Plus Cam. Look for it and download it. So you open it, come back here. After it's open, what you do now is you press this button to activate the Wi-Fi, and then also press this. So let's look at it. Active connecting. As soon as it's connected, your Wi-Fi gets disconnected. So this is it right here. I connect it, and then my Wi-Fi gets disconnected. It's checking for the quality of your internet connection. That's the camera. I can watch everything from my cell phone. So these are the options. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know what to tell you guys, but I can watch everything from my cell phone. That's good. One other thing I noted is that for the Go Cam to connect to your cell phone, you have to be pretty close. If you're not close, it's not gonna detect it, which is a big problem because your dash cam is gonna be up here, and then you're gonna have your cell phone maybe way down here, and that's just too much distance for this. So check it out. You want to be prepared for those unforeseen accidents, a crazy animal that just dashes in front of you. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the Pathinglek dash cam. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new video. Ciao ciao.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but